Now that it's dried, I'm going to take them out of the clamps. I'm going to square up the one end. Now you can cut this any way you want. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to use the joiner, square up the one end, get it all flat, and then I'll bring it over to the table saw and I'll cut this all straight all the way around. Now that we have one side completely flat, I can push it up against the fence, make sure it's flat with the fence, and then just square everything up on the table saw.